Alright you guys, how's it going? Rive here, doing a demonstration on preset pack, in this case the Dramatic and Dark presets. Here they are, and here I have a photo, as you can see, taken in the Himalayas. I have to select one of the presets on the left, one of the main presets, one of the 14, and let's just do that right here. So we have red mountains, we have dramatic, we have Rive look. Let's do dramatic and use one of my light presets. So I made all kinds of light presets. It will add a bit of light on certain directions, and you can also finish with some other special effects or some vignetting. That will just help to further edit the photo in a matter of clicks. Of course, in a matter of clicks, we are using presets. So again, we have this preset selected, and now we're gonna continue further. That's what we want. Let's start with the anti-grad filter on the sky. We can add a small anti-grad filter here. So small sky normal, small sky dark. We can also do no anti-grad. I probably will not do an anti-grad on this guy, but I will just go for a small sky with normal darkness. If you have a bigger sky, for example, if the horizon will be here, you need a medium sky or even large sky. We're gonna use the small sky, normal. Now we're gonna continue. Now we go to the spotlights. A spotlight is just a circle somewhere in the photo. We have 9 positions from center to top and all directions. So 9 positions. So when we use the spotlight, in this case, we're gonna use the horizontal one, of course, because we have a horizontal image. You can choose normal brightness and bright brightness, if that makes any sense. So normal light or bright light. I will go for normal. Let's just go for normal. It's already pretty dramatic. And you can then choose between, of course, the position, but also between cool and warm. Just let's go for the position first. Upper right corner. So we have top right warm and cool. And now without. This is without. This is the cool light. This is the warm light. Alright, let's just go for something a bit over the top, a bit extreme. Let's go for warm. We can also go for an exposure compensation, number 6, plus 0.5. Okay, so we have some exposure compensation. You can also go to curves, make it warmer. That's probably better. So you can make it warmer if you want. Shadows.